thing that I didn't
There you go.
notice that you had a Danny moment today. I know I was very tired this morning, but I did clock it. Now, here's the thing. Faz and I, we had a gig earlier today, and we had to be somewhere at 8 o'clock in the morning. And I drove fast, which is also very rare.
It's not our usual wake up time to me.
Yeah, okay, so we basically parked, all right? We're in a rush. Now, the thing about Faz is the two types of food he always